I've been using the Glow Elixir every night now for about 2 months. About 4 drops, that's all it takes. I love this stuff. I'm definitely going to keep getting more. Basically, I decided to get it to help with how dry my face was. I would also get kind of dry spots, but I have very T-zone skin and can get a lot of acne. And so I was worried that, you know, perhaps with it being oil, I didn't want it to aggravate the acne, which it did not at all. It actually improved it because it just leaves my face a lot more moisturized and more balanced, and has helped a lot with the redness. And it just feels really good going on. It's really smooth, easy to apply. It does really give your skin quite a nice glow, which is an added benefit. I don't need as much makeup, which we all love. So I would definitely recommend this, and I'm very glad that I found this.